Hey guys, today we're making homemade cinnamon bread. These are the ingredients that I'm using for today's video. These are the measurements of how much ingredients you will need. Okay, you guys, in today's video, you will notice that I'm adding double than what the measurement says in my little clipping. That's because I'm doubling this recipe. But you guys, you're gonna love it. I love it. It came out so good, delicious, and moist. Welcome back to another video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I hope you all enjoyed today's recipe. Please leave in the comments what you all think about this recipe. Feel free to tell me what you all think about this recipe and if you have tried it. Okay guys, we are fresh out the oven. I am now cutting cutting a slice for my daughter. I hope you all enjoyed today's recipe, you guys. I love it. Please don't forget to like, comment, and please subscribe to your girl channel. You never know what recipe you will see next. I'll see you all next time.